Yo, what's up guys, you can hear welcome back to another video guys. Today it's a little bit of a different video. Today we'll be doing some backtesting and that's pretty much it. So as you guys don't know, backtesting is a way you can go back in time and just really do a month, just like it is live trading. I do it a lot, as you guys can see, 3 years of experience on this account alone because I have multiple accounts. So yeah, pretty much it. Let's go through it. Let's go through a session. I have a list of backtesting months and today we'll be doing October 2022. I've been doing April 2024, August 2020. As you guys can see, checked out. This is COVID years. So you know, COVID years are a little bit more messy. Not really a lot of volatility really, and a lot of unpredictable movements. But I've already done a few COVID months, so we'll be doing some normal months again. October 2022 now, and then next few videos, if you like this kind of format, I'll be doing other types of months. So yeah, let's go to it. 50k account, just like my final account. So for now, we'll be sticking with that. NASDAQ and S&P 500. S&P 500. So initial date 2022. Yeah, these videos are quite good for you guys because you'll be seeing how I think just day-to-day basis and really get more into the way I think into the markets. So yeah, let's go through it. I have the thing to skip time right up here. No, you guys cannot see it probably, but it's right here on top so that it doesn't mess your vision. Let's go through it. So let's market open at 250, 230. Actually, I need to set the time correctly. It's UTC. I need to put Lisbon. UTC +1. Nice. Because that's one thing you cannot forget, really, because if you have the wrong time, you just be trading the wrong times. So let's go through it. 30 minutes until market open. Let's get it closer a little bit. Boom. Okay, it's good. Let's mark our 4-hour Johnson liquidity for the day. We have these 4-hour lows. Boom. We have these 4-hour lows right here. For the high side, we have these data new highs and these 4-hour highs. That's pretty much it. Let's go to 1 hour. What do we have? Not much. As Johnson liquidity, we have these highs, but they are rather been swept. We have London session open and Asian session open right here. Boom, that's pretty much it for 4 hour. So what daily profile we have? We have okay, so we have Asian session lows down here, but these hourly lows and these hourly lows got swept on London session. So this for me is pretty much London session manipulation reversal, New York session continuation up to filling some kind of a value gap, order block, whatever. Of course, the real goal right here will be this 1 hour highs, this data new highs, which is very strong long liquidity, but we can take battles on this 4 hour value gap, on this 1 hour order block and whatever. This can be our main take profits for the day. Let's check S&P 500 just to see if we have some kind of SMT or something. We have a bearish SMT right here, but it doesn't really matter. I can mark that out for you. This bearish SMT right here with these data highs right here. So it's even strong draws on liquidity for the S&P. I can mark just these 1 hour highs and these 1 hour highs right here. Relative equal highs, strong liquidity. And then let me check if we had pretty much same movement as, yeah, we had manipulation and then reversal, possible New York session continuation. So let's go to 5 minute IC. When I'm looking into this daily profile, which is previous session manipulation reversal and the new session continuation, I want to see some kind of new session manipulation of the 5 minute, liquidity. So we are talking about 5 minute lows. These 5 minute lows I would like to get swept on market open or prior. Let's see. Okay, market opens. Okay, we sweep out. Nice, this is good. Okay, so we sweep out these 5 minute lows, these 5 minute lows, and also these 5 minute lows, which should be 15 minute lows. I'm not sure. No, it doesn't really matter. So after this, I'll go to 1 minute, and then I'm looking for all my confluence. So I'm looking for a confirmation confluence, either a breakout structure, inversor value gap, or 79% extension to the upside. I could make a video on the strategy, but it's really based on the 2022 ICT model. Mentorship on ICT. Yeah, you can check TGR's video. He explains it much better than me. So yeah, now waiting for 79% extension, breakout structure, inversor value gap, something like that. Okay, we get 79% probably right here. Let's check. Even though I'm not willing to enter just yet. No, not yet. So we need to be patient. Okay, this is good. We sweep out more of the 5 minute liquidity and 15 minute lows that I was talking about. Right here, boom, these 15 minute lows get swept. So yeah, we should be going pretty much having the move up, having enough strength to go up. Okay, so we get not inverse fair value gap. I do believe this is inverse fair value gap. Nope, not a fair value gap, but this 79% extension gets disrespected right here. Boom, on this candle right here. Candle closure. Now we're waiting for a retracement. Break of structure as well. Boom, right here. We can mark our continuation confluence, so our order block. The move down that caused liquidity sweep, order block. The move prior to the liquidity sweep, breaker block. We can also mark equilibrium once we get a low. We do not get a low. Okay, so this is. Okay, so we are feeling this 1 minute fair value gap. Theoretically, I could have entered on this retracement to this order block, but for me that was not enough. So now all I'm waiting is for a candle reaction and strong candle reaction. Okay, the C should be enough. Let's say 5 minute time frame. If we are feeling 5 minute equilibrium, I do not think so. Nope. So this is kind of a risky trade, but honestly, I'm willing to trade on it. I'll put stop loss right here and then take profits. Let's put on the draws on video. Take profit 1 right here, 1 to 2 risk ratio, take profit final 1 to 5. Yeah, should be a decent trade. Let's hope for it, at least. I'll put stop loss on this fair value gap, maybe on the bottom of this. Should be, yeah, on the bottom of this candle body. Okay, let's go 1% risk on this trade. First trade, let's go. First trade on YouTube. It will be very funny if I lost. So let's go 5 minutes and let's mark draws on liquidity. We have this 5 minute highs. So should probably take profit 1. We also have these iris highs and then these data highs, which are close to the fair value gap. We should be take profit 1 and 2. So let's go through it. Boom. Holy moly, we almost got stopped out. Not almost, but yeah. Okay, so let's take some partials. Let's take 25% of position off and keep it right here. Stop loss at break even. This guys can check. I don't even know where my stop loss is. Okay, right here. Let's go. And let's hope for now take profit 2 to get it. Okay, it's not looking. I don't think we have news on this day. Okay, nice. Take profit 2 got it. Let's close more of the position. I don't think I'll close 50%. Let me check just overall position of the trade. I'll close 50% of the trade just because it's a very high key level. And now let's let the rest run. So what else do we have? We're filling order block, breaker block. This 1 hour fair value gap. I think now I'll just keep it to the end of the trade. Honestly, let it run. Honestly, what time is it? 6. I think I'm going to close more of my position at this time because it's already late into the day. Boom, right here. Let's go. Okay, and full take profit is nice. Okay, so very good trade right here. We made $1,200, so not much really. Could have made way more if I kept the trade more and didn't close as many partials, but it was going to be late into the day, and I would like to keep my trades late into the day. But yeah, it's a good first trade. We built a bit of a buffer there, but yeah, really. Review of the trade is just, I don't think I'm going to make review of every trade, otherwise I'll take a lot of time. It's a month, so yeah, let's keep going. If you guys want to know the idea of the trade, just push back to the video and I'll explain it again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have time. Let's try to not rush into it, but it's going to be a lot of time because it's a month, so it's going to take a while. Next session, let's go. Okay, so for 4 hour draws, and let's check the news as well. I think I'm going to put some music. No? What do you guys think? It's kind of boring. But I'm afraid the music will be too high, so I'll probably put music after, not while I'm trading. We have news October 5. This is October 4. So we have news. We had news yesterday, the day I trade, so it was probably that candle up. I didn't even check news. Okay, so we have October 5 at 3. So that's nice. Let's go to the 4 hour draw. So we have 4 hour high, boom. Let's go really try speed run this, even though this video will probably be super long, man. Probably my longest video on YouTube for sure, but it will be worth it, I hope. This is it for 4 hour draws. We select this 4 hour high, 1 hour high, boom, 1 hour high, my bias, and we create equal highs right here. I'll go through it. We create relative equal highs right here on this 1 hour candle, and we have all these draws on liquidity to the upside, like draw, boom, boom. These 3 relative equal highs. Unless we create a bearish S&P out of it, I'm bullish for the day, which we do. Okay, nice. We create a bearish S&P out of it. So for the YouTube guys that don't know, is when S&P 500. Okay. S&P 500 and NASDAQ are correlated indexes, so when one of the indexes sweeps out one high and the other doesn't, for the other one is like it is swept. So all these draws on liquidity are pretty much swept because we are creating a bearish S&T out of it, you know. Unless on market open we move up, of course, that will be really swept. But for the indexes, it's like they are correlated. So when one index sweeps out the high or the low, the index does not have any reason to go there. So that's pretty much it. And again, guys, like lately I've been way more confident in my model just because I know my model works and I know my model is pretty good. And really, the problem of many people, they think it's strategy, they think it's it's this, it's that. It's not really strategy, man. You just need to put in the work and the hours into things, and you'll be able to pretty much do it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, like it's not your model, it's not your strategy. It's just the work you have to put into your model and your strategy. If you know it works, of course. If you are into a goofy ass model that doesn't work, or you created it, it's just enter on break of structure and pray, that shit will never work. So yeah. Okay, nice. We are sweeping out everything. So my bias was pretty much bearish. For the models, for the daily profile for the day, I have low session manipulation reversal. I can show you guys here. Probably it's a little bit better. Let's mark 8 a.m. I'm like 7. I'm gonna need it. Mark 9 a.m. 9. So it's pretty much, but you guys can see just long session opens. We sweep out these highs and reverse out of it, unless we have more draws on liquidity to the upside, which I don't think we have. It's pretty much a long session manipulation reversal, New York session continuation. That's what I want to see. Pretty much similar to what we have in the other session, but that could not happen. Let's see. Let's hope and see. I'm trading the leading X, which is NASDAQ, and yeah, let's go through it. Holy moly, it's only 4th of October. This shit will take a while, but hey, I have time, so I only have to go to the gym, so I have time. Okay, so we sweep out all these draws on liquidity. We're keeping up. Just waiting for a reversal right now. Okay, so we have break of structure on 5 minutes. Let's see if we have the bearish S&T got disrespected, I think. Yep, it got disrespected. What else do we have? I think we have another S&T could be forming, honestly. Maybe? Let's go to 4 hour, maybe. We have a 4 hour bearish S&T. No. Yes, maybe this one. 22, 22, 23. Okay. If you guys don't understand anything or something that I'm saying on these videos, you guys can ask, honestly. Nope, not here, the S&T. What else? Or what is S&T? What is this data high? 20, 22, 22. Yes. 20, 22, 22. Okay, this is good. Okay, so we do create a bearish S&T. This time on the S&P 500. I thought it was on the other index. But we do not sweep these data highs. No, I think let me just check. Me recording is not helping me, but okay. So we do not have any bearish S&T, I think, but we do sweep out all the draws on liquidity for the price to go, possibility to go lower, even though we are in an uptrend on 1 hour. We don't have the draws we have for the upside. It's just this draw right here, and then these draws. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to trade today. Just looking into price action. You know, because we have all these draws on liquidity to the upside, which is very good. To the downside, we have these relatively lows, but it's way too far down. Unless we get a bullish S&T out of those, which we do. So yeah, for me, there's no reason to trade. But let's check. I think price will continue higher, sweep out more of liquidity, and this is just a retracement for it. But let's see. If I can catch a very good trade right here, it will be good. So let's see. I think price will just move higher. So we got 5 minute break of structure. We got a retracement into another block, a breaker block. This is not a block. But I think price will probably move higher. I will not take this trade, but I'll check it anyways. Because this is backtesting, you just use it to learn. So I better just use it to learn. So I go to 1 minute now. And this is going to be a aggressive entry as fuck. Let's see if I get a break of structure. Nice. Okay, so we got order block and breaker block disrespected. So price now should be moving higher. Let's check. I guess not. I guess price does not want to do shit. Okay, move lower. Okay, nice. But I won't be able to trade on these conditions. After 4 p.m., I won't be able to trade. And before 4, even in 1 minute, I wouldn't have got shit, I think. Yeah, this is 4. We just disrespected the order block, breaker block. We don't get much. On the 1 minute we get, but we don't get much after. This is more PM New York session on the PM side than AM session. I trade more of the AM session. So yeah, let's see what price would want to do. But yeah, anything really, it's just consolidation. I guess it is what it is. It's in session open and we're still consolidating, so very ugly day. Today it's 5th, okay, so we have news at 3, I think. Let me check. I think we checked that out. Yep, news at 3, so we need to be careful with that and trade only after news. Okay, let's go through it. Holy moly, I'm talking a lot and we are only day 5 of the month. Crazy shit. This video is going to be super long, bro. I hope it's worth it. Generally, I don't speak much when backtesting, so this is forcing me to speak and actually putting my thoughts into words, which is pretty good, but you know, yeah, it's also making me a little bit less comfortable backtesting because I'm not used to recording myself when doing it. But let's go through it. Okay, so we have a session markdown. What we have, not much in the. We have these 1 hour lows right here, which we sweep out, but we don't reverse out of them. Can disregard those. We have, what else? These daytime lows. We just sweep them out. When is market opening? Okay, so we sweep out everything pretty much on market open. Not on market open, pre-market. Let's go to ES. Let's see what we're doing. Bullish S&P would be mega, and bullish S&P is what we get. So this is pretty much good. So we have this 1 hour high. Let's just mark market open, just for you guys. Boom, market open right here. Let's mark London session right here. Let's mark Asian session right here. Boom. Okay. My bias is bullish for the day. Why? Bachuka, we are in a downtrend. Yes, we are in a downtrend in 4 hour. We're feeling this 4 hour failure gap, which makes sense to feel. But it's, and it's also this 1 hour failure gap, which is also good. But it's more on the logic of it's not a high. It's not a high. Even though that could be a high, it's not a high. Status is a high, I think. So I'm going to mark that out. Boom, and also Asian session highs right here. Boom. Okay, so why is my bias bullish? My bias bullish. So on market open, we sweep out these 1 hour lows on NASDAQ, and we do not sweep them out on yes, and I can mark them. They're out already. We're going to a bullish S&P out of these 1 hour lows. That's basically what I want to say, you guys. And this backtest is going to take a lot because I'm checking both indexes at the same time. So yeah, it's going to take a while, but it's probably going to be worth it. Just going through a month of data, so explaining it is going to be worth it for you and for me. So now I'm expecting some kind of bullish confirmance. Holy shit. We have news at 3, so I need to wait. Even though if I get a good entry right here, I'll probably enter. This should be fine. This should be more than fine. Are you feeling 5-minute equilibrium? Just checking. Yes, for sure. For sure. With a 5-minute equilibrium. Okay. Now, honestly, I'm waiting for some confluence, some bullish confluence. If I can get it, I'll enter. Boom. That's for me. That's enough. Boom. Enter on this. What time's for news? 10 minutes to news. This is not something you should be doing, but just my bias is so strong to the upside. I'm going to do it anyways. 1 to 4 super ratio. Okay, I should put it on these lows. Do not want to. Fuck it. I'll enter with low risk. I'll enter with 400 risk probably. Is that 70%? Sure. I'm probably losing this trade, but I don't give a shit. I need to be aggressive with the partials though. Taking some partials here and some partials on this. Putting it break even on these 5-minute highs and then taking some partials on this relative highs. Let's go. Unplugged. Boom, we lost. No? Yeah, boom, we lost. Okay, news at 3. Yeah, I should have waited for news. Again, don't trade news. This is just the reality of it. This candle just closed me out of the trade entirely. So let's reevaluate our trade. I'm lucky I didn't risk much there, but let's reevaluate our trade. I'm still bullish. Let's go to the NASDAQ. Just don't trade news, guys. Yeah, but I'm still bullish. Just waiting for now more confirmation. So we feel okay. So we sweep out these 5-minute lows. We shouldn't have much more liquidity to sweep out unless we want to sweep out these other lows, and we kill the S&P out of it, which we can do, but I don't think that will be cool. This is not cool. What time is it? Okay. Okay, let's go to it. NASDAQ. Nice. I'm still bullish. I think it's crazy. Yeah, I'm bullish. 100%. We have also these London highs right here. I'm still bullish. So let's wait for something in 1 minute to appear. That's really it. breakout structure right here, boom. Be aggressive with it, honestly. Going to be more aggressive with it. Holy shit. Did we invalidate it? Yes, okay. So let's wait for again for more confirmations. Unless we have a 1 minute S&P. NASDAQ. Fuck. NASDAQ. Yes. We do create a bullish S&P of it right here. Boom. Let's just check. Should have bullish candle. Yep, still bullish S&P. No, not anymore. Okay, let's holy moly. Let's just wait for some kind of confirmation. So we get we don't get shit, honestly. I don't think this is a universal gap anyways. Nope. Let's wait. Yeah. What time is it? Still time to trade, so it should be fine. Breakout structure right here. Let's wait for retracement. Flawless. Again, it's so unlucky, man. This didn't even feel equilibrium. Nope. There was nothing right here. Other block, break a block. Nope. There's not much, mate. There's not much to play with, okay? This can be good. This can be good. I'm entering on this. I'm entering stop loss. I'll put it below this loss probably. I checked 5 minutes shenanigans that's going on. Partials right here. Partials. Okay, so yeah, we're actually fine. We're actually fine in terms of draws and liquidity, really. So, yep, this is super risk on trade, honestly. But I'm going to take it anyways. What time is it? Still time to trade, just on limit. So let's take it, honestly. Taking this trade. I can maybe place my stop a little bit lower. No, I'm fine. Fuck it. 1% risk on this bitch. I should not be doing it, honestly. That much risk, but I don't give a shit. Let's go to it. 500 risk. Boom. Okay, so let's go. Got stopped. Okay. No, didn't got stopped yet. Let's go to 5 minutes. Let's see what I'm doing. I think we should be fine. These eyes need to be swept. At least these eyes. These are typical eyes. All these 1 minute eyes. This eye, this eye, this eye. It needs to be swept, and it will probably be swept. Yep, this is it. I should be putting it break even. I don't think I want to. I'll put, just for the sake of it, just for the sake of the game. Nice, okay. I should take partials on this bitch, but I don't think it did, so let's wait. Nice. Okay, so let's take some partials. How much is it? Honestly, I'm being aggressive with it or not. 25%, whatever. We're already at break even, so I don't really give a shit. This is start of a gap. Let's check equilibrium of this gap to take partials too. Take profits too, not take partials too. Yeah, I'll put it on this other block as well. 5 minute other block. Should be fun. I don't even know what it is. Okay, let's close this equilibrium. Okay, let's go. I should have taken partials, but I'm an idiot. The fuck. Okay, nice. Let's take more partials. 50% probably. 25 again. Yeah, 25. These eyes, the reason why I'm only taking 25 is because these eyes are really juicy. Price will probably want to go through them. So let's go. Nice. Very high in terms of draws on liquidity. Let's go. Okay, let's take more of the position away. Boom. And if we get a strong retracement down, I'm going to close everything. Nice. Okay, nice. With full take profits, we are $2,200 up for the account in 3 trades. So yeah, let's go. Want me to go through the trade again? I'll go through it. So we get a bullish S&P pre-market. We invalidate that bullish S&P. We sweep out these 1 hour lows on draws on liquidity. And if we go to the 1 hour and 4 hour, there's not really much to the downside to sweep out. We sweep out even these 1 hour data highs. So that's really not news data lows. There's not really much. We're in an uptrend. We are feeling this 4 hour parallel gap. Boom. So I'm bullish all the way. Not only that, in 1 hour we have these highs. Price is bullish 100%. In 5 minutes we are creating high, and we are creating not a bearish S&P. So these highs, they still exist in NASDAQ. So that's really my bias for the day. Bullish. Even though I took this trade, in the 1 minute, being more aggressive with it. I also took low risk and also only made my profits all the way up to this high, even though I should have held it to these highs and these highs. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the trade. Let's go through it. Market just closed. Yeah, it is. Market closed. Why do we have a big ass gap? Okay, just a bug. Okay, nice. So we should be able to eat every single high basically. My bias was correct. Just could have made my take profits larger, yes, but I wanted to be more aggressive with the trade. That's why I put my take profits a little bit lower than what I should. But maybe I should have trusted my ability and kept the take profits and kept the trade running. So let's go to NASDAQ again. My main index for the day. Let's go to it. So what's next day? Next day 6. I don't know how long this video is. I don't know how long this video will be. How long is it? 25 minutes? This is going to be a long video. It's going to be probably an hour long video or more. Probably more. Don't give a shit, honestly. Just recording and doing it. Maybe I'll split it into parts, part 1 and part 2. Maybe I should do that. Yeah, I probably should do that. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Micro 4 hour draws. You guys already know this shit is not hard at all. What is hard is really psychology and being able to keep your trades running, being able to really know where the market is going, and that is going to come from experience. I'm dropping so much game in this video, bro. Insane. Feeling for 1 hour for gap right here, filled. London session, boom, right here, and Asian session right here, boom. Okay, so we have also these 1 hour highs right here, boom. So my bias is bullish pretty much. New York session, not manipulation reversal, but kind of manipulation reversal. Let's check. I'll check. Let's go to yes. No SMT, nothing. Nothing really. There's not a single SMT. I think I see an SMT, a bearish SMT, but it's already been filled. I'll show you guys. We have this, I think this bearish SMT for these data highs, boom, right here. So 1 hour highs, boom, and these 1 hour highs, boom. Holy moly. Then the bearish SMT is right here, yep. Because right here the bearish SMT wasn't as high, so we'll get the bearish SMT, but we can evaluate it on the next candle, so it doesn't really matter. No, I'm an idiot. Of course we get the bearish SMT after that. Look at what a mess. These 1 hour highs up to these highs, boom, right here, bearish SMT, and also right here. I can show you guys, boom. These were not swept on ES, they were swept on NQ. So we get a bearish SMT of that, but it's our 1 hour bearish SMT, so it probably is already filled. Let's go to 4 hour. What do we have? Let's have we have these on our 4 hour highs, boom. And honestly, what will be really cool was if these highs were swept already. They were not, so we are idiots. We are idiots. I'm trying. Yeah. Daily profile for the day. If we sweep out this 1 hour high before the market opens, I'm probably bearish because we are sweeping Asian highs on London highs on opening of New York session, and if you get like a 5 minute confirmation of break of structure universal gap or 79, but I'm not really looking to 79 in this case, I'll really like it. So let's go to it. Honestly, I think we'll probably sweep them out. But if you get a bearish candle like on this open, okay, so now nice, we sweep them out. We also have these highs which are pretty much achievable. What do we have on NQ? On ES. I know I'm always changing, but it's really good to change to see what we are doing. I'm still bullish because of these draws and draws as well. I'm still bullish, and I think that's what's happening. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Yes. Let's check if we created a bearish SMT out of it. Possible bearish SMT forming with these highs, 1 hour highs. If we do not sweep them out, so yeah, these could be good. But when we are creating a bearish SMT like this, and I think price is going to move higher, honestly, to sweep out at least the other high. We are so close for it. I think we are. But yeah, let's go through it. So yep, okay. Not much in 5 minutes so far. We get the inverse gap right here. Right here, boom, inverse gap. Now, what I'm waiting for is continuation conf. So break of structure. Equilibrium or the block, whatever it is. I'm waiting for it. not much. So let's see NASDAQ. I don't think I'll event it anyways. Just not enough confidence for me. Are nothing next. Let's check the lows we are targeting. We are targeting these 1 hour lows. And these 1 hour lows for draws on liquidity to the downside, which is what we are currently aiming for. After we just sweep out Asian highs. So look gap. Waiting for confirmation now. We have a further gap, 5 minutes. Right here. And we don't have much more. We have equilibrium on 5 minutes, not much. I don't think this is a way to trade. There's not much. There's not much at all. We sweep out these lows and yeah, looking kind of ugly. Looking quite ugly. Okay. Only if I enter on this inverse value gap, but it's already passed. Let's wait for a small retracement up. Is this a time to trade? No. If I traded, guys, if this is a normal time to trade, I'll take a trade like this probably. These highs and then target these lows. At least I take profit one. Let's check. But I would have not have traded. This is not the time to trade for me. Yeah, and this is why. Probably gonna swipe out anytime soon. Yes. Did you guys swipe out? Yep. By the week. By the week. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Pretty much. This is why I don't trade it. Yeah, exactly. It will have it full take profit. My stop loss was on top of this fair value gap. Boom, right here. No, right here. On this fair value gap right here. I wouldn't have got stopped out actually. Really? Put it. Nah, I would have got stopped out. Why the fuck? I guess it was just a matter of spread, honestly. But yeah, this is the reason why I don't trade past 4. And first take profit will have been 1 to 5 residual ratio, and then second profit will have been down here. And yeah, not a bad trade at all. Let's check if it is, but I don't think it is. It is. Nope. It's okay. It's Friday now, day 7 of the month. Let's go through it. Again, like I don't trade past 4 p.m. That's probably the reason why I didn't take that trade. That's way too late for me, by the way. I trade New York AM session, that's what I'm used to, so I'm not trading trades past 4. Even though sometimes there are very good setups, but I'm not just doing that. There are weeks which sometimes you need to do that, but yeah, not going to do that now. I'm sticking to my rules. So let's go through it. 1 hour highs, 1 hour highs. Next day, Friday, let's check if there is any news. Nope, not there is. Pre-market. Don't give a shit. And then next week we have on Wednesday, which is FOMC. Yeah, for sure. When it's a 7, it's probably FOMC. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. There's not much more. We sweep out these 1 hour lows and these data lows. We are pretty much bullish, which was, even though this wasn't long session, pre-market of long session, manipulation reversal, New York session, continuation. Possibly. Let's look into it. This is ugly swag. Holy moly. What am I looking at right now? Holy shit. Let's check the time. Bro, there's still a lot of time till market open, no? Yeah, I'm way too far away from market open to mark conferences. Why the fuck is that a big ass gap right here? Probably news. Yeah, just mark conferences for nothing. I need to delete them because they have already been set and reevaluate our bias. What time is it? Yeah, I think I'm going to do first half of the month and then second half I'll later today and do it in another video. So yeah, these are our highs, these are our highs. Bias is bullish, 100%, I think. Yep, bullish, 1,000,000% bullish, full port buy. Signal. This is financial advice. This is a financial advice. Full port buy. Yeah. Not no SMT formed, but I don't give a shit. This is full port by white or market open, honestly. Yeah, I think I should explain more of my thought process. Let's go through it. So we are on market opening. We are just sweeping out these on our lows and also the data lows that we have on the other index. No, just 1 hour lows, whatever. We're sweeping out a drawn liquidity, which is very strong for the day, prior to even though I don't know. I'm talking like I know, but I don't know because we also swept Asian session highs. Did we? Let me check. But we swept 1 hour highs, so it could be either way. We swept out, yeah, Asian session highs, pre-market of London session, and then we move lower. So and then we sweep out the target for the low. So yeah, if I'm bullish, I'm mainly target this gap and these 1 hour highs. I'm not targeting much more, but and we also to the downside we have these relatively lows, which are pretty strong draw for liquidity for the day. I guess I'll react to what the market is giving me. Yep, these lows right here, which are very close. Oof. It's very hard to read because when you have a daily profile like this, it's very hard to read unless you create a SMT out of it, which I don't think we do. We do. Okay, nice. This could be something. What is my daily profile? Okay, so we have these Asian highs, which were not swept here, which were not swept on NASDAQ. This is why I move lower, and on ES we do sweep down. So yeah, looking for a retracement into this gap, hopefully on market open, and then we can move higher. Or we can just sweep down these draws, which is also good, and now we can move higher. So yeah, let's look into it. So I'm honestly going to the 1 minute. Let's go there. Let's keep our hands at 30. Let's go. I guess not. I guess not. 1 hour time frame. Feeling 1 hour for the gap. Can mark it out for you guys, whatever. This takes time. Yes, it takes time to backtest. Yes, it's being a bit more painful than what it usually is. Usually it's more quick. It's quicker, but today it's a bit slower because I'm just explaining really everything. Try to explain the most out of it. But yeah, let's go through it. Let's see what you get. You get nothing. Let's go to yes and Q. Big structure, nice. Breakout structure on this candle. Not yet. Let's get it. No. Holy moly, what are we doing? What are we doing? Nice. I'm entering on this candle. Why? I'm an idiot because I'm an idiot, guys. Just really because even though we did not break structure on this candle, what we got was 79% extension of Fibonacci retracement. This is expected on this, boom, 79% extension. After that, we have a move down that is more of a retracement, and then we should also be creating a bullish SMT out of it. Nope, we do not, but we break structure and we have a retracement into equilibrium. So for me, that's enough, really. We have a retracement into this 1 minute equilibrium. Right here. Boom, we feel equilibrium, we get a reaction of that, and like that, we get a break of structure of that, we get a break of structure right here. So yeah, I'm entering on that. I'm putting my stops below this 1 minute low and take profits. Whatever, I don't even know what to target on this shit. Let's mark equilibrium. Okay, so start of visual gap can be my take profit 1, order block can be take profit 2. Is this a 1 to 2 visual ratio? And honestly, I'm not even going to target more of this because, yeah, this is more of an aggressive entry. Honestly, I don't know if I should put full risk on this bitch. Maybe I can. I don't know. These relatively highs should be my take profit too. I'll put it to screen. Man, I shouldn't put full risk on this bitch. I'm risking 400. I don't care. 0.9. Oh, I can change this amount, 400. Holy shit, what I'm risking, 400. Holy, what the fuck? Bro, 1%. I never changed this value by itself. Nice. Safe. Let's go through it. Yeah, let's go through it. So once we hit this equilibrium for gap, I'm taking some partials. If I hit that, no, we're getting stopped out at break even. No, we got stopped out. Boom. We get stopped out. We are getting stopped out for sure. I do not like this trade at all. We're getting stopped out. Yeah, boom. Okay. What went wrong? Nothing. Just wrong intuition, you know. Just, yeah. Is there an yes? Was it better? No, same shit. Was it a bit better? No. Same shit again. Maybe it was a little bit better on yes. I think we must have created like some kind of bullish SMT out of something. Don't know. Don't give a shit, honestly. I think if we get bullish S&P, it was on 1 minute. Something that you can check on live trading, and on backtesting is kind of a bit of a mess. But yeah, we'll lose this trade. We are down again. We are 51.8k now on the month. Yeah. Let's just check what's going to happen next. But I think we'll be moving down, I guess. Yeah, okay. Reflection of what we should have done, I don't know. My bias was bullish. Could have been more aggressive on the take profits because the entry was quite aggressive. I guess we're targeting these lows right here. Let me check. It's Monday already, so I guess we're targeting these lows on Monday. But yeah, price really moved down super aggressively. Yeah. Not much more to target. I think I did what I should have done. Maybe waited for more confirmation. That's probably the main target. Yeah, that's probably the main reason why I lost. It was not waiting for enough confirmation. I had these lows and these lows stacked up together, relative equal lows. So yeah, kind of needed to wait for a liquidity sweep after the move that get done, and I knew that, but I entered anyway. So yeah, just need to be more aware of it. Let's go to the next session. Let's not overthink too much, and go to the next session. Monday 10. So 5 more days until. How long is this video? 41 minutes. Not long. I thought it was going to be more. Going auto. It's getting hot. I should open the window honestly, but let's keep going through it. Okay, so let's mark our 4-hour draws on liquidity for the day. If this loads. It's over. I've broken the website. Just enjoy it a bit. I'll open the window meanwhile. Let's just restart this so that this loads. Sometimes it bugs, but it should be fine. Should be okay. Okay, let's go to it. 4-hour draws on liquidity on the NASDAQ, smoking a gas bag. So we have these 4 lows. Let's put it in a beautiful corner, in a more beautiful color. Damn, my English is fucked. Move down and move up. That's a low right here and a low right here. Without looking at anything else, I'm quite bearish. 4 hour in terms of highs, I have this for 4 hour fair gap, and that's what I want to target. Unless we are creating a bearish S&P again, it should be moving higher, feeling this imbalance or this imbalance, and then moving lower and sweeping out these 3 relative equal lows. Not relative equal lows, but low resistance, high time frame liquidity. Oof, quite an ugly profile we have today. Long session manipulation reversal, New York session continuation, possibly. Or in this case, long session manipulation, New York session open, reverse the continuation. Manipulation reversal. Quite a bit of both. This is taking me a while because I'm checking both indexes at the same time. Always. Like every single day. So it takes me a while more than normal. Okay, so yeah, I'm not creating a bullish S&P out of it. I think we have these lows, these relative lows, these 4-hour lows, and these 4-hour lows down here. Okay, we go to the 1 hour. We have these 1 hour highs. We also have this 1 hour fair gap, which is also that 4-hour fair gap we are filling right now. Yep, this 4-hour fair gap. Yeah, I'm expecting kind of reaction out of this fair gap, but I need to be careful with it because we are in a fair gap, not in a liquidity sweep, and fair gaps are imbalances. Yes, they act as draws on liquidity, but we need to be careful with those compared to the liquidity sweeps. Yeah, the market moves out of liquidity and imbalances, but imbalances are just liquidity. Even quite okay. So let's see the market open. Why is it? Now, I guess it's now. Boom, let's go. Want to see manipulation to the upside? I would like to see these eyes get swept on market open. Nope, I guess we'll not have that. Okay, so we have these lows, these lows, these lows, these lows. Okay, we are bearish 100%. I'm a million percent bearish. Oh, yeah, of course. But I need to see some kind of retracement into a area of interest, and this is looking a lot better than the other. Index. Filling 5-minute failure gap, we are filling also 5-minute order block right here. Boom. We also fill 5-minute breaker block. This is looking juicy. We go to 1 minute, all I want is a break of structure or a failure gap or 79%, which we get on this candle. Boom. Nice. Short beach. What the fuck is this? Short beach. Boom. Take stop loss. I should put it on these eyes. Nah. Put it on this failure gap. Whatever. I don't give a shit. Target these lows, boom, 1 to 2 restore ratio, target these lows, boom, 1 to a million restore ratio, and target these lows, boom, 1 to 1 gazillion restore ratio. This is not my best entry, this is not also the best place to put stop loss, but I give a shit. Full part of it, boom, 1% risk, boom, full part of it, let's go. Take profit 1, not on these lows, probably on these relatively close, right here, boom. Then also need to target these lows, we need to take care of it, and yeah, we should be looking fine. If I lose the trade, I'm an idiot. So, I didn't lose. These partials look horrible. I need to take partials though. I'm only closing like 15% of the position. $50. Right here. Now what I need to know. 5 minutes. Bro, like these lows are so hot right now. Ugh. I do not want to take more partials. I want to let the trade run. Fuck it. Let's keep it running. Break-even trade. What a shit ass trade. What happened? No fucking way. Search and destroy it. Search and destroy is crazy, bro. What could have done better? Kept my, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. Close more partials, I guess. Damn it. Just unlucky there. Yeah, we're feeling this 5 minute failure gap. Boom, right here. And then we got to make a shot of it, and price moves up towards the draws on liquidity that I wanted it to move. Unlucky a little bit. No fucking way. What a banger trade it would have been. Nah, I will get stopped over given. I'm happy now. Not yet though. Spamming. Just consolidation paradise. I'll have closed all my trade. But unlucky though. Very unlucky, to be honest, because I wanted like these draws to get to swept, and the risk reward ratio wouldn't have not been the best. But 1 to 2, yep, not the best. But it would have given me some very good profits. Yep, let's go to the next day. Flotas. Nothing. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. I'm on S&P 500. I don't want to go to NASDAQ. Let's check what happened on NASDAQ. NASDAQ smoking against bank. I don't know. I don't give a shit. I just want to finish this video and have lunch so that I can go and work out. And then later I can finish today's video. Holy moly, even though 20 days to go. I'll do it later today maybe. If I win this day, I'll if I win this trading day, I'll post the first half of the video, and then I'll post the second half once I get back from the gym. And once I do it, so hopefully you guys enjoy the backtesting session. 1 hour session, 1 hour time frame. Let's check it out. I'm quite hungry, bro. I need to go to the gym as well. No music on this is so boring, bro. Literally so boring. Probably next video I'm putting music. The thing is, I'm afraid that the music will be like super loud and you guys can hear shit. That's really the thing. I can put some background music for you guys, maybe. Nah. Probably not. You guys will listen to the silence as well. You guys will suck. For all of that swept, I don't think it was all swept here. Okay, swept there as well. Give a shit. But we do create a bullish SMT right here. Boom. Bullish SMT right here. This 4 hour low getting swept on NASDAQ and not getting swept on NQ. Been bidding on S&P 500. So we are bullish not only because of that, but I'm actually starting to like how this is going to go. Manipulation reversal. Pretty much it. Daily profile for the day. Manipulation reversal, New York session continuation. But we are having a lot of those lately. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so bullish. This screams bullish all the way, bro. Data highs, 1 hour highs. Tell me we don't have news. Another news highs. Boom. Oh my god. All these 3 highs will be swept so beautifully, bro. I will full port this bitch if I could. Honestly. This looks so good. So good. Hopefully this doesn't get swept before the market opens. This is looking good, bro. This is looking, oh my god. We sweep out these 5-minute lows. Boom, exactly what I wanted. We sweep out these 5-minute lows. Boom, exactly what I wanted. Unless NASDAQ has swept out these highs, we have not. Okay, so we are still bullish. Let's see if we have 5-minute order block, breaker block. We do not, but it should be like a 30-minute order block, breaker block. Yep, breaker block right here. 30-minute order block right here. Let's go. Full party beach. Full party beach. Let's go to 1 minute. Let's see what we can get. Nothing. Sweep out more of this liquidity, I guess. 5-minute lows? Nope. But we are pretty much bullish all the way. What the hell is price doing? Okay, so we get finally a record structure out of anything. So anything but trading. Holy moly. What is happening? Do we have news? United States. Do you have news out of today? What is today? 11. Nope. We have at 5, but it's medium impact, not high impact. I'll give a shoot. You have this inverse value gap. Boom. Let's mark it down. Let's mark it down for you guys. What are we doing? I guess price does not want to go higher. What are we sweeping? Everything? NASDAQ. Holy moly, NASDAQ is in the trenches right now. All-time lows, probably daily. Not all-time lows, bro. Not all-time lows for sure. This daily 4-hour low is also daily relative equal lows. This is good for NASDAQ to go lower. Not good for us right now though. S&P 500, 5 minutes. We're still in the bullish S&P, even though we are still moving lower. We are still in the bullish S&P ski. I'm not enjoying the price action at all. I'm enjoying it now. In the full part debit, 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 full part debit. I think I'm committing the same error I did the other time, but I don't give a shit. First take profit 1 to 2. That's good. This is very good. Holy moly, we could be making gazillions out of this, or 0 cents. I shouldn't be risking much. Fermentize. Oh my god, this actually looks promising. I'm not risking much though. This stop loss is super tight. Holy shit! See, like this now, like this. 0.70 should be fine. Let's go. We are fucked. No, we're alive. We're fucked. We're alive. We're alive. We're fucked. We're alive. We're alive. Let's go. 25%. This is a very good trade, honestly. I'm actually happy I took it. Let's go. Let's go. What a banger. What a banger trade. We're only 3 under risk, by the way. I'm keeping these open until these. I'm closing like big positions there. If I get there. And I'll take more of the position on these 5-minute highs. Yes, I am. Oh my god, so beautiful. So fucking beautiful. My god, I'm taking, bro, so many partials, so many, bro. So many money out of this trade. It's unbelievable. Closing on my trade now. Yep, 100%. Cool. And let's see. Yeah, we will have it. I'll take profits. Nice. Very good trade, honestly. Made us up a lot of money. We are $53,361 up on the account. I don't know how many trades. Let's check it out, honestly, because I'm not. I'm going to record the second part of the trade later today, so I can check the analytics right here. Hopefully, I don't lose all my progress. So yeah, this is the trades that I took. I took 6 trades, 66% win ratio. I made 6% on the account, only risking again 1%. I only risked 500, as you guys saw. Every single trade, the max risk was 500. Yeah, not a bad month so far. Even though there were days I could have done better, and there were days I shouldn't even trade. But yeah, 2 losses, 0.76%, 2 wins, 4 wins, 2 consecutive wins. the risk reward ratio wasn't the best on the wins. They were 2.3, not bad. Honestly, for me, not bad. I usually trade like a 1 to 5 to 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, but I always try to aim for 2 risk reward ratio, 3 risk reward ratio trades, so that when I take partials, the 3 and 4 risk reward ratio becomes like a 2 and a 3 risk reward ratio. So that's pretty much it. That's the way I trade. And yeah, what else do I have to say? 5 buys, 1 sell. Right here, as you can see, this graph looks really good. You know, we have very good trade on the first day, very good trade on the second day. I thought I had a loss, bro. Where the fuck is the loss? I thought I had another loss. I had 2 losses. Maybe it wasn't the day that I took 2 trades. Okay, that's good. That's good to know. And this trade was also very good as well, with very low risk. Again, it goes to show that if you, again, I wasn't sure about the trade. I prefer to lower the risk and then let the trade run than being worried about the risk and closing partials way too early. And that's really goes to show you everything. So yeah, this is the first half of the video. The second half I'll post later today. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, make sure you stick around. So yeah, see you guys later today.